let's plate up. But these are the best sounds. Let's plate up my dinner together in this beautiful bowl. Let's see, the star of any show of mine. Full crunch and lots of it. I showed you how to make the baked chicken and potatoes that you're going to see in a video. Cucumbers. I pickled these myself. Very exciting stuff. Link is starting to play chess, as you can hear.
You know that there's kids.
A little lemon cheek. This is so pretty. Potatoes. Wow, that's delicious. Potato and onion. Full crunch. The onions. Unbelievable. Almost forget. That's it. That's dinner. Bye.